today's video, I have with me here my phone. So what you do first is, as I'm talking to you, I'm going to record my screen as I'm talking. So I'm going to put you through step by step how I was able to achieve this. So now, number one is I have my phone here. So I want to record the screen of my phone. So in recording my screen, most times I have to use an earpiece, because if I don't use an earpiece right now, that's me personally. If I don't use an earpiece and I record it without an earpiece, it will just disconnect it on its own. This is a smaller phone though. So having said that, I would record my screen first. Most phones come with it inbuilt, but if your phone doesn't have it, you can get it installed, a screen recording app. So I have it here on my phone. So what I will do, whatever tutorial I want to teach you, I will just go ahead and start teaching you that. So now, for instance, let me say I want to teach my audience something about CapCut. So for instance, how to edit on CapCut. I have it here on my screen. As I'm talking to you, I'm carrying out that action on my phone so that after everything, you will see how it plays out. So now, for instance, I want to teach my audience how to edit a YouTube video, or how to edit a YouTube video on CapCut. I've installed this. So while I'm talking to you, I'm carrying out the action right there on my phone. So once I'm done, I will stop whatever I've done. I would get it deleted or exported. You will see the step. So once you've done that part, recording your screen, you just save it. You save that screen recording, because most time automatically goes to your video. So I've ended it.